Hi friends, so today we're going to learn about synonyms. So a synonym is a word that means the same or has a similar meaning to another word. So the word smart, what do you think a similar word to that word is? We could say brilliant. That word means something similar, right? Or intelligent. That word also means something similar. And all three of these words mean that someone is smart. It's like if you're said. Instead of saying the word said to make your narrative writings a little more interesting, you can think of synonyms to the word said, like responded or replied. See how all of those three words mean the same thing as the word said? Another one is little. Another name for it could be short or mini. Those all three mean something similar. Another one could be ran. Another synonym could be sprinted or dashed. Those three words are all meaning the same thing, someone going, right? The word saw, like I saw something. I observed or I looked. Okay, those are also words that mean something similar to the word saw. The last one we have here is funny. Please excuse my dog. Okay. Funny, something funny could be hilarious or amusing. These words, synonyms, can make our writings a lot more interesting in narrative writing. So as we're writing, I want you to think about synonyms and words that maybe are a little more mature, a little more creative than just our basic story words. All right. Good job, guys. Remember, synonyms mean same. Thank you.